Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a non-profit cause with Habitat for Humanity. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Reach out to Habitat for Humanity to learn about their programs and resources. Research the specific needs in your community related to housing. Form a small team of dedicated individuals who share your mission. Set clear goals and objectives for your nonprofit cause. Create a mission statement that reflects your vision and values. Develop a plan outlining your approach to addressing housing issues. Identify potential sources of funding, such as grants, donations, and sponsorships. Build relationships with local businesses and organizations for support. Organize community meetings to raise awareness and gather input. Establish a legal framework by registering your organization as a nonprofit. Create a website and social media profiles to promote your cause. Develop promotional materials to educate the public about your mission. Set up volunteer opportunities to engage the community in your efforts. Host fundraising events to generate financial support for your projects. Collaborate with Habitat for Humanity chapters for guidance and assistance. Evaluate your progress regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Celebrate successes to maintain community engagement and motivation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate, and if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.